Welcome, in front of me is a SONY Xperia 10 Mark III, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture, and I'll be using settings as an example for this. Once you have your content open and visible on the screen, simply press power key and volume down at the same time. And once you see that, you can let go. So from here you can edit or share the screenshot, and if you just don't do anything with it, as you can see, it disappears after a second or so. And that screenshot can be found in your photo gallery, so I'm going to quickly open that up, photos, and as you can see, there it is. Now normally if you have more than just one image in your gallery, you'll see categories. So you'll have like photos, albums, and stuff like that. And screenshots will be located in an album, specifically screenshots album. And in there you'll be able to find your screenshot. So there we go. So anyway, that is how you would capture screenshot on this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.